Hey everybody, Ben with Diesel Power Products here, and today we are talking about the Fleece Performance Engineering Turbo Oil Drain Line. If you have the factory VGT style turbo on your 2007.5 to 2018 6.7 L Cummins, you probably have noticed the stock drain line is not so great, especially if you've tried replacing a turbo and reusing that stock drain line. It tends to leak, it tends to crack, and they just fail over time. Some of these trucks are getting old, especially if you're one of those third gen guys with a 6.7. Well, Fleece has you covered. This drain line is going to replace the factory one. It actually is a direct replacement as long as you, again, have a VGT style turbo on your truck. If you have gone to a fixed vane turbo, this will not work. If you've put compounds on there and you're no longer using the stock turbo on there, this will not work. This is going to work for the stock VGT style turbo in the stock location. Got it? Good. So it's going to come with a brand new line here, nice machined fitting up top, machined double O-ring seal going into the block, and this hose, nice and thick, not going to fail on you. Also comes with new hardware to mount this on the turbo, a sticker, and this instruction card, which will get you right to the instructions on your phone. No hassle, no paper, no worries. If you have any questions about this, do not hesitate to reach out. We have sales technicians on the phone 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time, Monday through Friday. You can also do the chat feature on the website. Send us an email, get on the social media, shoot us a message. We are here to help and give you the best tech support in the industry. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.